Okay, so finding the cross product is quite a useful tool, and it's got several applications as we work through with vectors. So here we go. We start with, we go I, J, K, and the two vectors that we've got are B and C. So we're going to put B first. That becomes 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 0, 4. And we go with I. Now remember these brackets, these mean the determinant. So when we're looking at the I here, right, we've got I, we take those determinants there. So we're going to go 2, 3, 0, and 4. We go minus J. That's because your textbook is doing it like that. I actually prefer to go plus, but that's okay. So we'll go with that. Get rid of that. So now we take the J and we look at that and that. So that goes 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, I hope you can suss what's coming next. And that is we're now going to go plus K. Right, and because we're using K, then over here, oops, we're going to be using this and this. Okay, so that becomes 1, 2, 2, 0. And it's the same process every single time. And what we do now is this represents the determinant. Okay, so if you remember A, B, C, D, okay, the determinant, we cross there, we go A times D minus B times C. So we keep our I, and we end up saying 2 times 4, so we get 8 minus 0 times 3, which is 0. We've got minus J, okay, 1 times 4, minus 2 3s are 6, plus K, 1 times 0 is 0, minus 4. So we end up with, we've got 8I, 4 take 6 is minus 2, so we get plus 2J, take 4K. We can leave it like that, but we also realize that this is the vector 8, 2, minus 4. There's something pretty special about this before we even use any of the other applications, and that is this vector here, right, this will be perpendicular to B and to C. Now how can we test that it is perpendicular? I hope you're screaming out dot product, dot product. So let's just have a look. This is our new vector. So if I now say 8, 2 minus 4, right, let's find the scalar or dot product with B. So this now becomes 8 times 1, it's 8, 2 times 2, so plus 4 minus 4 times 3, which is 12, and you can see it's 0, so that means it definitely is perpendicular to B. We can check pretty quickly. 2 times 8 is 16, and 4 times minus 4 is minus 16, so it's also perpendicular to C. So pretty impressive. I hope you think it's impressive. And we're going to use it later on for quite a few applications, as we said before. So let's practice that, and the great thing is let's even check how to do it on our calculator. So we go option, matrices, vectors, we say more, and look at that. There we see cross product. Now we have to put in our vectors, so we have to exit and get back to maths, vector. We want a 3 by 1. I believe it was 1, 2, 3. Use your arrow key, and we're going to then put the comma. We're going to have another 3 by 1, and what was that matrix again that we did? 2, 0, 4. So pop in 2, 0, 4. Make sure you close your bracket. And there we have it, 8, 2 minus 4. So you can check on your calculator that you've got this correct. So carry on, try and solve those questions in there. in your textbook. So what we did was just this first one here. Please make note of our properties here. Okay, so hopefully you can work your way through 5I1. Good luck.